Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Windows 11 keeps crashing, then watch this video to fix it. So first thing you need to do is disconnect all the peripherals. Your peripherals could be your devices like scanner, printer, mouse, anything that's connected to the USB port of your system. Now why I say this is because these peripheral devices, they push in third party drivers, their drivers into the system to better connect or better communicate with your Windows. And what happens is sometimes these drivers are corrupt or these drivers cause conflicts with the existing Windows drivers of the system, and this can cause Windows to keep crashing. So once you disconnect these peripherals, boot Windows again, restart Windows again, and check if this Windows keeps crashing or not. And one by one, you can connect the peripherals. And if it crashes when you connect a certain peripheral, then you know that that peripheral is the culprit. So you need to either manually update the drivers for that peripheral, or you just don't use that peripheral. If you're using it, it's important to you, then manually update the drivers for that peripheral. For that, we need to go to device manager, and say for example my mouse is causing this Windows to crash, so right click on it and then click on update driver. But then I will not search automatically for drivers. I will click on browse my computer for drivers, and I will search for the driver for my mouse from the particular maker of the mouse. For example, if my mouse is made by Logitech, I will look for a stable version of a driver for the particular mouse from Logitech. Now the next thing I can do is to run an SFC scan. So go to command prompt, right click on it and click on run as administrator to run it in the elevated command prompt mode. And then I will type the command sfc space slash scannow scan now and press enter. I am not pressing enter because this takes quite a long time and I'm keeping this video short for your convenience. The next command we need to enter is chk dsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Then press Y and press enter, and it will take some time for the scan to run. Once the scan is over, these two scans are over, then we will restart the system in the clean boot configuration. For that we need to go to system configuration and then click on services, and then very important step is to make sure that hide all Microsoft services box is checked. Now once that is checked, you need to manually select all those services which are third party services which are not required for the smooth running of the computer, like Google and Mozilla, McAfee, Wiseboot, and then click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and click on restart. Once it restarts, you should no longer have this problem of Windows crashing. Now if it does, which after these solutions it should not, then it is probably either that there's some driver conflict. So for that we need to restore the system. For that we will look for recovery, we'll click on recovery and go to open system restore, and then we can either go for the recommended restore point or go for the chosen restore, choose a different restore point, click on next, and we can click on the restore point that we want. We will normally select the restore point on a time and a date where our Windows was not crashing as it is crashing now. So once you click on the selected desired restore point, click on next and then click on finish, and it will restore the system back to the selected date and time, and your Windows should not crash again. Now if it is still crashing after all of this, then there could be only one problem, and that could be the physical problem. It means your system is overheating and causing Windows to crash. This could either be because your fans are not running properly for some reason, your cooling fans, or that it is too hot of a day and the system is not able to dissipate the heat from its body. So what you need to do, you either need to take it to a cooler room, or you just stop operating your system for that day. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.